In the second part of our look at Kidblog, we're going to look at how to add a post to the class blog, and then we're going to look at Kidblog from the student side and see what they would see. To add a new post when you're on your dashboard, simply click the New Post tab. You want to give your post a title, and then actually your post goes down here in this text box. So here you would explain what it is that you want the students to do, how you want them to reply, how you want them to comment, and so on. So now that we have our post written, let's take a look at some of the editing options that we have. We can do bold, underline, italicized, we can change the size and the font type, we can do some color options, bulleted lists, centering, and there is a spell check feature within the blog post area. But the thing that I really like about Kidblog is that it makes it so easy to add other things to your blog post. So you can see here we can insert an image, we could insert a video, we could do an audio file, or we could do some other type of file. Here we have asked the students to watch a video and respond to the video. So let's click on the video link. You have some options here. The first that it brings you to is to add a video from an URL. So you would simply copy and paste the web address, give it a title, and insert it. Notice also you have the option of adding a video from your computer, so this would be something that you already have saved on your computer. And then once you add some different media to your blog dashboard, you'll see all of that media here. We're going to go ahead and add it from an URL. I have a YouTube video already loaded, so I'm going to come to YouTube and I'm going to just simply copy, and then I'm going to paste that URL into this area. You can give it a title if you want to, and then you go ahead and click Insert into Post. It will take just a minute, and we will see the link here, and we won't actually see the video until we publish this blog. We can save it as a draft if we want to see what it's going to look like before we publish it, but we're pretty sure this is what we want, so we're going to go ahead and click Publish. If you decide that you don't want to post this, notice that you do have a Move to Trash feature right here. Go ahead and click Publish, and we'll take a look at our blog. See, here is the video. Students could come in here and play the video, and then below here is their room to leave a comment. So that is how easy it is to add a blog post on the teacher side. Alright, so let's go ahead and log into our blog as a student. Now you will have your students log into, it will be kidblog.org, and then it will be the name of your class. So in this case I call it NPS Practice Class. That is where the students will go to log in to the blog. And the reason why I like Kidblog for elementary students is because they don't have to type in a username. So you can see here it will give them a list of names to choose from. And I think that's really great for elementary students. They don't have to worry about typing in their name. They do have to have a password, so make sure that it's an easy password for students to remember. And we'll go ahead and log in as Scott, and we'll see what Scott sees. Scott goes right to his new post page. Let's go ahead and we'll check on the class page, and here is the blog that the teacher just left. So we'll go ahead. You notice over here you can also go to any other student's blog from within your blog. So we'll go ahead and click on our new post, and here it is from the student side. They could play this video here, and then they could leave a comment. So once the student types in their comment, they would go ahead and click Submit Comment. It tells you that it tells the student that the comment is awaiting moderation, so you, the teacher, will have to moderate each comment and approve it before it actually gets displayed to the entire class, which is kind of a nice feature. So if we go back to Scott's blog, we can see that he can also make a new post, and he has the same options that you did on the teacher side to create a blog. Here's Scott's blog, and he can make a new post, and again it looks the exact same way that it did on the teacher side blog. Let's go back out to the class and we'll take a look at Scott's control panel, and we'll see that the students don't have nearly as much to work with as what the teacher does. So they can basically review posts that they've made, they can create a new post, and they can see the comments that they've made. So we'll go back over here to the teachers page and we'll refresh this, and we'll see that if we'll have to log out as Scott here, and we'll log back in as the teacher. Okay, logged in as the teacher, we can go to our control panel, and we can see that we have one comment pending. So if we go ahead and click on that, we can read through this, decide if it's okay, and if it's okay, we will approve it. Once it has been approved, then it will show up on all students' blog pages, and it will show up on the blog here. We can see the one approved comment. All students would be able to see this. So I think you'll like Kidblog. It's very simple to use, and it will give your students a chance to write and comment on other students' work.